In this training series, I'm going to show you how to use the Wallets app in the system. Now, the Wallets app is going to allow you to provide your contacts with secure e-wallets. And this is going to make things like giving refunds or paying out commissions to your affiliates a lot easier. So what we're going to do right now is go ahead and install that app. So to install the Wallet app, what we're going to do is navigate over to the marketplace on the bottom left-hand side. And then we're going to come here to our wallets, and you'll see here it tells us exactly what the Wallets app does. The Wallets app lets you provide secure e-wallets to your contacts, simplifying order refunds, commission payouts, and more. So we are going to click on the Learn More button, and you'll see that the starting price is free. So you don't need to worry about anything right there, but you will want to look at the beneficiary account validations price. So that is something to keep in mind. And again, this is going to allow your contacts to conveniently make and receive payments through your system. So we're going to go ahead and install the Wallet app, and now that has been installed. So if you click over here on the Wallets app here, you'll see all the accounts that are in the system, and all the accounts will be all of your contacts. We don't have any contacts in the system, so there are no accounts, and you'll be able to see your transfers, and you'll be able to change the setup. So we're going to go through all of this in the upcoming videos. I'll see you in the next one.